Hello to all the besties in Lent. I'm so excited because we're on my set of my new music video, Don't Compare Me. Look at Ashla, producer, director extraordinaire, Marco.
Honored to be here.
He's amazing. We worked together multiple times already, but Mama, tell us, how do you feel about this house?
I love this house. I mean, look, it's bright, it's beautiful. What a great way to start off, you know?
I'm excited because we have a side story to this music video. So we're gonna have an actress, an actor, they're gonna be fighting. Marco, I'm scared of him because I see him scream and I'm scared.
Listen to me! You never listen to me!
Jordan James. Singer, actor, model, dancer, songwriter, rapper. He will be rapping today. He's amazing. This is our first look. We're just chilling.
I like this look for you.
You do? You guys come on back here. And then I'm gone like my best friend, Ariana, who's always with me around the world, as you guys know. And Kimberly. She's my new bestie, my latest bestie. Kendra.
Wifey today?
Yeah, she plays the wife. Not my wife, but she plays a wife that gets cheated on because her husband is cheating on her with a man. What's really cool is that a lot of other amazing pop stars have filmed here, which is really, really cool. So it's a very iconic house. And we made 5 songs. 5.
This is our second video shoot.
5, yeah, this is our second. We can make up.
I don't do it like they used to. If you don't want it, then I'm gone like them. So don't go.
First shot up, yeah. It's not bad. Hour and a half.
No. Hey, you talk about the past too much though. You want it that bad, babe, then I must go. You ask if I trust you, trust no. Sleeping in all the time where the lust go. Thought that we had it, but you two attached to the baggage you carry and always comparing him. Not even fair to comparison. Don't even add up, that's why you ain't marry him. Don't make sense. We two different people, and this reminiscing might cause me to leave you. Complained about everything he do. You ain't seen the whole film, this a preview. Think about it real quick, that's a review. Call your girl, find someone to speak to. We a scene 1, might not be a scene 2. Truth.
So far everything's great. We are doing my performance scene. This is my last take in this outfit, I believe. This house is so white. It looks so bright, which is perfect. I just want to get this one shot in, like where my arms are raised up and you can see my abs here. What I'm excited about is able to share music, tell stories through music in ways I could never do anywhere else. I think with music I can express my anger, my passion, my frustration, my stress, everything that I'm struggling with, I get to express it in a music video.
Don't you tell me I don't do it like they used to. If you don't want it, then I'm gone like them. So don't compare me. Look, no.
Hey, my name is Callum Macdonald. I'm playing the husband today on set. So basically, we just did the scene where my wife has caught me sleeping with another man, and I'm trying to stop her because I love her, and I don't want her to be hurt, which she's obviously going to be, but I need her to understand why this is happening. Coming out is always really intense anyway. This is particularly intense, but coming out is a very intense experience. So to recreate that is a lot.
Look at me, like I'm like literally crying. I know.
No, you can't cry.
I know, it's so emotional.
Oh my goodness.
And I was saying what?
Damn it,
He's crying now. He's crying now. Look.
I know. Now you have to fix my makeup again because that made me cry. I can't watch this.
The story really resonates
Pop back up.
Yeah, it's real. It's really real.
Make me stop. Make me
I know.
I can't have you crying on me here, man. Makeup.
I know. Look, my makeup is coming off.
I know.
You guys have no idea. It's very Well, I was saying earlier, like my situation was my ex-girlfriend threw a vase at me, like silverware and a fork and a knife.
Where are your eye drops at?
Especially when he said like I don't love you like that.
Yeah, well, she didn't know. I told him to say that. She didn't know. Like,
Yeah.
I wanted to wait to see what.
Yeah, because
what happened.
that's something that I had to say.
Oh damn.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, man. It's okay. We're making real art here. We're making raw art.
And we're telling real stories.
This is real raw stories here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's just, it kind of wakes the dead, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, it hits close to home.
I'm sure. But that's a good music video for you.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right.
How many tissues did we got through? I have no idea. This is my husband, Almar. Come here, Almar. He has to endure my real life story of like my ex-girlfriend.
Up until now.
Up until now.
We've been together for 9 years.
Almost 10.
Almost.
And I'm still crying about my ex. My ex-girlfriend or fiance. Isn't that funny? 10 years later.
10 years later, it's still the same.
It's probably never gonna go away.
Hi, I'm Kendra Lingerfelt. I'm playing the wife on the Don't Compare Me shoot today. It's been an emotional morning. My husband is cheating on me. So yeah, it's been an emotional roller coaster, but it's been a really good time, and I think you guys are really gonna like the footage. Oh, Guy's super fun to work with. Like, he's been super supportive of everything and super kind. And yeah, his performance has been amazing, and he looks great. So.
I don't want that bullshit in my life no more. I gave you every piece of me, that's all I can do. Don't compare me, don't compare me.
Yeah. Do you want to keep your pants on in this? Do you want to literally
Yeah, I can
just
do my
like
underwear.
Well, I'm saying if you wanted to establish your pants in it, if you wanted to do that.
So it almost looks like I'm just so fucked up that I'm wet.
Yeah, you're just kind of just.
Oh, I see what you're saying now.
Yeah.
Okay,
What do you think about
because it tells a story, because it's almost like I'm just in the shower with my jeans on because this shit is so fucked up. Like I don't even fucking care. Like we have Plan C. Plan C is I just keep my clothes on and let the shower, rain on me and get wet, because it only makes sense. Like, why would I be naked all of a sudden, right? So it just looks like I'm struggling with life.
It's almost like a very hidden self-reflection.
Self-reflection. That's what it is.
Self-reflecting.
Yeah.
Your story, and I think that people that know your story and they know where you've been and what you've gone through.
It makes sense.
They'll understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause I don't want that bullshit in my life no more. I gave you every piece of me, that's all I can do. Don't compare me, don't compare me. Don't you?
That's a wrap. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. That's a wrap. That's it. That's a wrap.